Vegreville, Alberta, Canada, the home of the second-largest Easter egg. Joseph Benoit Tétreault and Joseph Poulin developed Vegreville in the late 1800s. Father Valentin Vegreville, a Roman Catholic Oblate missionary in Western Canada, was the inspiration for the name Vegreville. The tranquility of many individuals from many cultures living and working together quickly became a feature of Vegreville. By the 1950s, the Vegreville area had more than 30 ethnic groups, the four largest of which were English, French, German, and Ukrainian. Vegreville is situated at one of the southernmost points of Alberta's largest Ukrainian Bloc community. With the arrival of the Ukrainians in Vegreville, a vibrant folk culture emerged, complete with enthusiastic dance and other folk practices like egg decorating. The Pysanka, Vegreville's well-known weather vane Easter egg, reflects this traditional practice today. A caption written in the languages of Vegreville's four biggest ethnic groups, namely English, French, German, and Ukrainian, is placed beneath the egg, citing the harmony of how so many people work together to make the home we have today.
Customer driving